Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today we're going to talk about 8 different methods to organize or declutter your home. The first method is the apple method. You've heard people say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, with this decluttering method, you just get rid of one thing a day. Or you can get rid of 3 things a day, or 5 things a day, or 10 things. It doesn't matter. You just get rid of a certain number of things every single day, and then you don't worry about it. The next method is the timer method. You set your timer for 10 or 15 minutes, and you just go through things in your house in that time. An example of this was when I was downstairs and looked in one of my drawers. I saw that there was a pen and a pencil that didn't belong there. I also saw that we had put the warranty for the TV down there, and we keep our warranties in a different place. So there was one thing I just got rid of, and another thing I just moved to the correct place. The next method is the shelf method. You can take either a shelf or a drawer, and what you're going to do is you're just going to focus on that area and nothing else. So for example, I've got videos here, so I'm going to go through my videos and see if there are any that I don't want. I found that there was a Monsters Inc. video that we never watch, and so I'm going to get rid of that. I also looked in our junk drawer, and I thought this would be a good space, so you can do either a shelf or a drawer, but you focus on just one small area. The next method I call the turnover method. You take all the hangers in your closet and you turn them the opposite way. When you use your clothes, you turn them the right way. If you have clothes that are not turned after 6 months, then you just get rid of them. The next method I call the baseball method because there are 3 strikes and then you're out. Now some other people might call this a box method where you have a box for trash, a box to donate, and a box to sell. 3 different boxes, and then they're out of the house. The next method is called the in and out method. Whenever something comes in, something else goes out. For example, you see I got a new pair of pants, and so my old pair will be donated. The next method I call the comfort method because you ease into it. First, you find the trash around your house, and then you start working on the things you want to donate, and last of all, you save things that are sentimental. For example, when I opened my cupboard, I saw that we had some honey that we didn't like, and we don't ever eat Nutella. We got that for one of our kids. I also happened to see that I had some molasses that had expired, so I got rid of that. I also saw that in our playroom I had 4 American Girl dolls, and I don't need that many, so I could easily get rid of one of those. The last method I call the bucket method because you find a box or a container and you just fill it up. So you can do this 2 different ways. You can do it one way where you go through stuff in a room and you put the stuff you want to get rid of in a box. You can just walk in there and say, I will get rid of a box of toys, and then you put the toys that you want to get rid of the most in the box, and the box goes. Another way you can do it is if you have a drawer or an area and you can't decide what to keep, you tell yourself, I'll keep only as much as I can fit in the box. So those are the different ways you can do the bucket method. You've probably already heard of some of these methods, and some of them I just made up. It doesn't matter what method you use, just find the best method for your personality. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.